Bibili daw ice cream. It's your money. It's your money. Magbabayad siya, magbabayad siya. Tinakbo ka sa hindi bayad. Sira ang negosyo. Pabili.
Ano?
Ice cream. Yeah.
Ayaw?
Give me ice cream. Tingnan mo lang dyan.
Yes?
You give me ice cream. Yan. Okay. Thank you. Ice cream. More ice cream. More ice cream. More ice cream po. More ice cream. I want more. Okay. Give me more. More. Like this one. Give me more. I want more ice cream. Thank you. Bigyan mo na sa akin. Ito pang bayad ko. Ay, sinuklian mo pa agad ako. Wala ka pa akong bayad.
Good more, Daddy.
Thank you. Ito na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, $500. $500. Ayan mo na dyan. Where's my sukli? May sukli yan, siyempre. Sukli. Oh, thank you.
Are you happy?
Wear mo daw, wear mo.
Family parents and brothers.
Hi.
Hi. Sige na, dalawa nga kayo eh.
Hi.
Opo.
Ice cream.